We are about to launch after about 45 minutes at least that we were dragging the kayak the entire beach on the mud. We didn't plan it. We didn't think it's going to be that hard, but that's the way it was. So yeah, it's 9 o'clock. Over an hour of the original plan. Roy play with his drone. So the target today is Smoothound, Ray and Bass, but mainly the Smoothound. That's why we came here on Sheppey Island. We launch at Warden Bay. And we are going to fish somewhere in front of the cliff. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll keep you updated with anything that's gonna come. Tight lines. We're going to anchor up very soon. Let's anchor. Where you want to get? I think it's fine.
Lovely and clear, isn't it?
Yeah, it relatively.
I can't hear you. A little bit away from you.
Okay. Oh, thanks God. Thanks God, thanks God, we are anchored up. Let's start to fish. This is circle hook. It's a 6/0 circle hook. It's big, but it is the way it is. I can hear Roy talking to his camera. A good YouTuber, Roy Barker, the Anom fisherman. I hope you're going to be known very quickly. Okay, so one pillar out. And the other rod. Drag is open, it's open. Yeah, the other rod gonna be a hard bake. We're gonna do a little bit of a test. A little bit sharpening the hook. Okay, so 2 rods in the water, hardback, pillar. Now we have to wait. On the left rod I have squid. I had a bite there. Here I have rug on the middle. I had a bite there as well, but I think they just nicked the tail. It was some sort of here another one. Here another one. No, nothing, I think. Small schoolie on the rug.
What was that, an eel?
The action is on the middle rod on the rug. I had a few bites on the squid and nothing on the hardback so far.
Do you get many bites, David?
I'm getting bites on the rug. It's schoolies. Nothing on the hardback. Again, bites on the rug. I don't know what it is. I'm not sure if I'm snagged or I got into something on the rug, but it doesn't move.
Did not hear a word of that, mate.
Broke. like a bus. There is a there is a seat in front of me. I just hope it's not gonna come and take my fish. Right. Now I'm gonna peel across just in the corner of the mouse. I have double take. Finding one on the right road. Oi! I have double take! I don't know what to do! I have double take, both big one! What do you do? What do you do in such a case? This is one, right? First fish. Let's see what's happening on the other side. Probably 6-8 pounds. So we are coming in on the shingles, a bit east of where we launch, because where we launch in the morning we needed to leave the kayak over the boulders. So now we're going to carry the kayak, we're going to troll it on the concrete to the car. But yeah, I lost my anchor when I tried to retrieve it. I couldn't. I had an issue when I deployed it. The diving reel line went around the prop. I managed to release it and then to let it go and to anchor, but for whatever reason when I tried to retrieve it, I couldn't. I just couldn't. You can see Roy with the nice bass that he caught. He caught I think 2 or 46, which is amazing. Now I need to look how fast I go back. So yeah.
I need your long measure.
For the bass?
No man.
Oh, you took?
Yeah, not the big one. I put the big one back, but I've got a big one still.
Well, you eat it? My God.
Sorry,
What?
how many did you have in the end? How many?
2. I lost one. I lost 1 or 2. I had 2 on the same time, made a double shot, but I don't know how they get snag.
Yeah, I put one on bail.
How they get snag?
I don't know, I think there's boulders or something out there or something.
Roy, the Smoothound can snag you? Like you know, like, how you call it? Like a strap? Like a eel? It can go like in a boulder or something?
Yeah, maybe.
Because I had the fish, I had definitely a fish, it was a bite, I felt the fish.
That's what happened to me, that's why I had to release my anchor.
So, what's the connection to the anchor? Why need to,
I released it because I got snagged, I released the anchor,
yeah.
and then obviously I pulled myself towards the fish, and then it released. That was the big one that I went floating past for.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That's my bass.
Are you going to clean them and eat them?
Yeah.
Really?
Right, what's this then?
This is an inch. But it's not a problem.
This is 53 centimetres, I think it was.
Well, this one is 21 and a half
yeah.
inch. multiply by 2.54, and you got a centimeter.
Does it go bigger?
No, this is the max.
Oh no.
This is the max. They are still alive, or what?
I don't think so.
Yeah, so this is 36 plus another 4 inch. So it's 40 inch. 40 inch is about 40 inch, 80.5 is 8, about 90 centimeter. Yeah.
Have you got the thing on your front of your kayak? Yeah, the measure thing. Can I just borrow that set?
So, that's it for today. See you next time.